everybody, it's Dr. E. I'm going to talk a little bit about how I prep for the week. One of the things I tend to do is roasted vegetables. Like I roast a crap load of them and then I kind of store them in either the freezer or the refrigerator. So vegetables I'm doing today are beets. These are these little reddish guys. Now, when you buy beets from the store, they don't look this way. You really got to scrub them, okay? And then sweet potatoes for a little something sweet, Brussels sprouts. Then what I do is I sprinkle a little olive oil over it and then a little bit of seasoning. That can be black pepper for you, okay? If you like oregano, do that. You know, fresh basil, whatever it is. Stick it in the oven, 25-30 minutes until they are soft-ish. I don't like them too mushy. And then, bingo, you have roasted vegetables you can take for lunch to add to your salmon, your lean protein. You have roasted vegetables you can do soups with. You have roasted vegetables you can do smoothies with. And it's as easy as that, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put them in the oven right now and take them out in about 25-30 minutes, a little bit longer if you like them softer. Now you just got home from work and you're so hungry and you're like, what do I eat? Well, you remember those roasted vegetables you did yesterday? You can make a soup out of them, and this is what we're talking about. So you have all these delicious roasted vegetables that you made. What you do is that you put them in the blender like so, and you add some broth. Now you can use vegetable broth, chicken broth. I'm using bone broth. So you would pour the bone broth in. Now those vegetables were a little seasoned, so you can season them even more. I am adding some basil. I am going to add some oregano. Remember, the spices are your own. You want to curry it up, do that. A little bit of cumin, a little bit of turmeric, absolutely. I like a little bit of spice, so I put a little bit of crushed red peppers in that. And you can also put a little bit of Himalayan salt as well if you want to. And then you blend. Now the texture, again, is yours. So you would blend. The texture is yours. If you want it a little bit chunky, you would leave it like that. If you want it more, you blend it more. You can heat the soup up. Another cool thing that this little nifty blender does is if you blend it long enough, it gets really warm. So then you have the soup that you don't have to warm up. But you can also pour it out into a cup and put it in on the stove in the microwave. And there you have your delicious soup that is ready for you to go, filled with vegetables. Eat it with a little side of protein. Salmon, lentils, whatever you've got. Until then, this is Dr. E. Bye-bye.